Hi, my name is Dahmen. I'm a designer and a paper artist. A few years ago, in July 2013, I published a tutorial for a pop-up card that shows a peony. Until today, this video has received more than 3.5 million views. Wow! Thank you for so much attention. Many of you have successfully created such a pop-up card with the help of my tutorial. Congratulations! However, I believe that some of you thought that my tutorial was too complicated to try it out. That's why I decided to create a new video, to give you some additional information that will help you to create a peony pop-up card as well. This video is an addition to my tutorial videos from 2013. I won't show all the steps in today's video, but I will give you some tips to make the creation of the peony pop-up card much easier. You can find the full instructions in my original videos. I'm sharing the link in the info card, and you can also find all the links in the video description. Okay, let's go! Why I did not use honeycomb paper. This is a hemisphere that I made from honeycomb paper. You can see how even the structure is. If you look at a real peony, you will see that the petals are not arranged regularly at all. This is exactly the effect that I wanted to achieve. So I developed a new technique that makes it possible to show the petals in a more irregular arrangement. Tips for cutting out the contours. On my template you see a dotted line. Many of you have cut out the shapes exactly along this line. Don't do that. Your flower will look much more natural if you cut out a free outline. Fold the parts first and then cut them out. Please see my original video at minute 3. You can also draw the line with a pencil before you cut it. Draw an irregular line that looks like one or more petals. The more natural your outline looks, the more natural your finished flower will appear. Now you can cut along your line drawing through all the layers of paper. Cutting out the elements is much more effective if you fold the elements first and then cut through several layers of paper. The assembly, simply explained. The assembly system that I developed for my peony pop-up card is based on a simple pattern. I have prepared a simplified model to explain it to you. For clarity, I have created each element in a different color. In this model, the folding lines and slots are not arranged in a circle, but parallel to each other. Each of these zigzag paper elements represents a flower element. Each new strip is inserted from above into the slots of the previous element. The way the elements are connected here in this example is the same for the flower, except that in the flower pop-up the slots and folds are arranged in a circle. Here you can see the assembly of the flower elements. When all the parts are connected, press the parts flat as I show it here, and then glue it to the next element. All further assembly instructions can be found in my original videos. See the link in the info card and in the video description. Bonus: how to create a pop-up flower with a color gradient. Many of you have asked me how I created the flower with the gradient from pink to white. Well, the principle is quite simple. You need to add a circular gradient to each individual sheet, on the front and on the back. Unfortunately, this is a lot of work, because you have to do it for 10 elements and from both sides. So you need to do it in a total of 20 times. The result can look very good, but please decide for yourself if it is worth the extra effort. I wish you every success and much fun with the creation of your own Peony pop-up card. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please hit the like button or leave a comment below. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, you should subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.